In this video, let's talk about how to open a Citibank online account Singapore. Now, if you're trying to create an account of Citibank online, you simply need to download the application of Citibank onto your device. And once you have downloaded the application, you'll be able to see a similar interface. You just need to head over to the new create a login account. Now, depending upon what you have, if you already have a Singpass available to you, it would be much easier, so you can simply tap on it, so all of the details are filled automatically. But if you don't, you can simply head over to register via physical card as well. So if you have a digital debit or a credit card within Citipay, within Citibank, you can also choose the first option. If you do choose your Singpass option, you just need to enter in your identification type. You just need to select your identification type, enter in your number, and then select your date of birth. But however, if you're trying to use it via your physical card, you can simply enter in your card details and you should be able to create an account within the Citibank platform. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.